Meaning of historiated.
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 Historiated. The term historiated refers to a type of decoration found in illuminated manuscripts, where an image or scene is integrated within a letter or initial. This technique was commonly used in medieval and Renaissance art and adds a visual narrative element to the text. The historiated letters often depict religious or secular scenes, and can be highly detailed and intricate. The use of historiated letters was a popular way of making texts more visually engaging and memorable, as well as demonstrating the skill of the artist.